Saturday. Good morning, scholars. How are you doing this lovely day? It is so beautiful outside. Make sure you go outside and run or ride your bike today. I have on my workout clothes and I'm ready to do some running. All right, but before I do that, I'm going to do this lesson for you. So next week, remember, we don't have school on Monday, but we'll start back on Tuesday. And the first thing you'll do on Tuesday is take your district level assessment test. Woo, woo. Get those classroom goals, meet those classroom goals. I would like to have some parties. So after we finish our district level assessments, we'll take reading first, then math, then science. We're going to go back to teaching to get ready for that STAR test. All right, so this week we will cover on Friday 5.4a, and that is analyzing how poets use sound effects, things like alliteration, internal rhyme, onomatopoeia, and rhyme scheme to reinforce the meaning in poems. So in order to explain this teach to you, I need to go over a few definitions. The first word that I want you to pay attention to, is alliteration. Look here. And so alliteration is the repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of words that are close together. And so alliteration, so if I said something like, Misty Mom made markers today, the alliteration would be those M sounds at the beginning of the words of each of those words I said. So that's alliteration. And here goes the definition for that again. All right, another word that I really want you to pay attention to is the word rhyme. I know you guys like to rhyme a lot, especially when my gentlemen like to do our rap poems. And so, rhyme, let's go over the word rhyme. Rhyme is the repetition of the stressed vowel sounds and the sounds that come after the stressed vowel. So we've had some practice with rhyme. And then the next word I want you to focus on is internal rhyme. That's when words rhyme within a line of poetry. So if you look in the comment box or at the information below, I have attached a link of an internal rhyme rap. And I want you to review that video and really focus on what it means to internal rhyme. And then after you're done, I want you to do the assignment. Okay, so now your homework assignment. We talked a little bit about alliteration, we talked about rhyme, and we talked about internal rhyme. So what I want you to do is read the poem that I have below on my page, www.Ms.Owens.speakslife.com. I want you to read that poem, read the whole thing through, and then I want you to answer the 2 questions I have for you. Make sure you also listen to that internal rhyme rap that I've connected to that. And then I want you to type up, go to the contact part of Ms.Owens.speakslife.com, type up the vocabulary words I've given you, send them to me so I know that you have done that, and then answer those 2 questions. Make sure you have supporting evidence. And so I'm so excited about this week. Don't forget to do your Annie homework that I sent home with you. It's also going to be posted on my website. And don't forget, you also have to read 3 hours this weekend and get your parent to sign that you did read those 3 hours. That's an hour for every day you're not in school. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You guys have a great weekend and have a great MLK Day. Celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. And bye-bye.